An AI agent is basically it's a lot of things. It's a custom LLM. That's the easiest way to say it. A custom GPT, if you want to think about it that way. So you can create them to serve any number of purposes. One of the most common asks that I get from my clients is to create an AI agent that helps to move their customers through the funnel, basically. So you can teach it everything about your products, your solutions, where to buy them, how to use them. And it will, as a chatbot, basically, it will answer those questions, but hopefully it will do it in a way that is so conversational, where it doesn't just answer the question, but then prompts the next question, the next action, etc. But that's for one that you're engaging with. And I'll give you a good example of an AI agent like that. I love what IHG, Intercontinental Hotels Group, has done. Of course, they have search optimized content online and they have an app. So if you know where you want to go, if you are looking for pet-friendly hotels in Boston, their search content will show up in Google, or you can find that on the app. But what IHG wanted to do was start connecting with people who don't know where they want to go yet, who don't know where they're traveling, but they know they want to take a trip. So they partnered with Gemini and Vertex AI to build an AI agent, a custom LLM, that conversationally helps to plan your trip. So you could just type in there, I'm a foodie. What are the big food cities? And it will talk conversationally with you until your entire itinerary is planned and booked. It's amazing because you don't realize, and booked. Yes, it will. You book the whole plan. It will say, this is the hotel and this is the package deal. And what if we did this? And then we could even book dinner reservations. It will schedule everything for you and plan your itinerary and get that conversion that IHG wants, of course, but it all is happening in this conversational way. But that's a conversational one. You can also create AI agents that solve real problems for you. MasterCard had a problem that I think a lot of content marketers face. The tool that they were using to identify conversations that were happening in real time, it was so slow in coming back and saying, hey, these are the trending topics and conversations, that by the time MasterCard wanted to enter that conversation, it had grown stale. So I don't know if I think they use Gemini for this, but I could be wrong. But I know they use generative AI to analyze in real time billions of conversations that are happening in social media, cross-reference those with the topics MasterCard cares about, which in this case was travel and entertainment. And then as soon as it sees those topics happening in real time, the AI will serve up to the marketing team, here's a conversation that's happening on Facebook about travel, and here is the recommended content based on your library of content, because you've trained the AI on MasterCard's messaging and brand materials. So it will create that content in real time instantly. Now, MasterCard has seen already from this an increase in their click-through rates and engagement rates by, let me get it right here, by 37 and 43% respectively. And their cost per customer and cost per engagements have also gone down by about 30% each. Wow. And it's because the generative AI lets them get in that conversation while it's still hot with something that is relevant to the conversation that's happening. So in short, AI agents can be like a chatbot that has a conversation with your employees, with your customers to help them solve a problem or, convert a call to action. Or it can be on the back end, actually analyzing all kinds of data for you and helping you, act faster and more relevant, with more relevant